Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook tofu with minced pork. And these are the ingredients you need. Half a cup of pea, 200 grams of minced pork, 1 scallion chopped, 1 slice of ginger minced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and you need pepper, sesame oil, cornstarch, sugar, salt, soy sauce, and a pack of tofu, which I have in here. It's 700 grams. Okay, first we're going to marinate the minced pork with half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of soy, a little bit of sesame oil, and a pinch of black pepper, and then garlic, ginger, and green onion. Mix it, marinate it for 15 minutes. Okay, I need to rinse the frozen pea. Just rinse the tofu. I'm going to cut the tofu like diagonal so it doesn't break as easy. I'm going to cut it into 8. Okay, I'm going to put some oil in the pan. I'm cooking in medium heat. My pan is hot now. Try to do it to golden brown. It's been 3 minutes, so I'm going to turn it. Not golden brown, but anyway. Now everything has been turned, and I'm going to add in some pea. I'm going to add in the pork, a little bit at a time. You can use a spoon. The pork has all been added in, and the flavor of the pork will go into the tofu and the pea. So I'm going to cover it for 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, and let me check to see. The pork is not fully cooked. Anyway, I'm going to stir it a little. And just cover it. Let's do another 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, and let me check. It looks like the pork is fully cooked. Yeah. And shrink it. Yeah, it's fully cooked. And I think I should put in a little bit. It's optional. You can. It's not that watery, so it's optional. You can put cornstarch in or not cornstarch. So I'm going to add in just a bit of soy sauce. Let me add a little bit more sesame oil. Slowly stir it. Let me test the taste. Tastes good. Looks like everything is cooked, and it's a little watery. And I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of cornstarch, a little bit of water, dissolve the cornstarch, and add it in. And the cornstarch, by doing it this way, it will make the tofu smoother. Slowly mix it. Don't mix it too hard, otherwise the tofu will break. And if you find it too thick, you can add some water to loosen it up. Now it looks really good and smooth. And I'm going to Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.